Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Do you also want to know how I achieved this glam yet effortless makeup look? Here's the tutorial. Starting off with skin prep, it is really important to use a good amount of moisturizer for a flawless base. Never forget lip balm before makeup for hydrating lips. Using Insight Cosmetics color corrector, I am applying green shade for acne marks and orange for pigmentation. It neutralizes and hides blemishes of your face. I am concealing them with concealer of my shade. I use this concealer all over the corrector and blending it for smooth effect. Using Mars foundation, 2 pumps are enough for full face coverage. Here I am blending it with brush and will be using beauty blender to even out excess foundation. It helps to remove extra product from our face and gives a smooth base. Using Insight Duo Stick for contour, making a sharp line under my cheekbone. Applying it wherever needed. For this look, I wanted sharp and chiseled face. So for that, I used it for nose and jawline also. I don't use brush for contour. I feel it's a messy process and doesn't work for me. Instead, I'm using sponge. Now I'm applying lighter shade concealer to highlight the areas wherever I want special attention. It would help to make my face look 3D. I used it under my eyes, nose bridge, eyebrows, under contour and on forehead to make it look more precise. Filling my eyebrows with brown shade. A pro tip for you all, don't blend your concealer just after applying. Let it sit there for some time. It gives better coverage to your face. I am again using that beauty blender technique. Setting my face with loose powder. Now it's time for eyes. Here I am using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palettes in variations 02 and 06. Used beige color on transition area and light brown color on the outer crease. Then I am applying shimmer just upon the lash area to give it a highlighting effect. Applying it in my inner corners and underneath. And using the same shimmer on my brow bone. Applying precise liner just in outer and inner corner to make my eyes look snatched. Afterwards, I am using brown liner as kajal for my lower lid. Smudging it with light brown eyeshadow to even it out. Using Swiss Beauty blusher in the shade Peach, I always apply great amount of blusher so that it can take time to set. Lining my lips using the same liner I used before as kajal. My lips are the most precise feature of my face and I take good time to highlight and make them more beautiful. I'm overlining my lips vertically so that it gives pouty look. Smudge the harsh line. Applying Swiss Beauty lip gloss for the glass effect. This is the main character of this look and it's adding life. This is how within 10 minutes you can create this look. It goes really well with any Indian occasion, parties, cocktails and whatnot. Here is the close-up look. I have not used any filter or smoothing effect to make it raw. Silver highlighter on the high points of my face. And lastly, summoning up with Mars Double Trouble Mascara. Before that, never avoid eyelash curler to make your lashes even more beautiful.
So this is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you so much.